Hi guys, so there has been a lot of talk on this newly proposed 15% tax on service exports. So today we are going to have a look at this and try and break down what this really means. Now to start off with, let's see who this applies to. Firstly, this tax applies to both Sri Lankan individuals as well as corporates who are based in Sri Lanka but earning foreign currency by providing services to foreign clients. Now, this includes services such as IT, BPOs, digital services, really anything in this service export space. Let's look at it for corporates. Now, for corporates, this tax is fairly straightforward. Whatever profits a business earns by providing these services will be taxed at a flat 15%. For individuals, however, it's slightly more nuanced. If you're an individual who earns in foreign currency, previously you would not have been taxed at all. Now you will be taxed in slabs, right? So for the equivalent of 150,000 rupees a month, which is roughly $500 US, you will be exempt from tax. You will not pay any tax on the first 150,000 rupees or equivalent of $500 that you earn. The next 85,000 rupees you earn, or roughly $283-ish, will be taxed at a rate of 6%. So to recap, the first 150,000 rupees not taxed at all, the next 85,000 rupees taxed at 6%, and anything above that, any rupee or dollar that you make above that is taxed at a flat 15%. Now there are a couple of things that are important to note. What if you're already paying a tax on this income in a foreign country? If you're paying a tax that is equivalent to 15% or above on this income in a foreign country, you will not have to pay any tax in Sri Lanka. If the tax you're paying in the foreign country is below 15%, then only the difference will be taxed in Sri Lanka. If you're not paying any tax at all in a foreign country, then that will be taxed at these slabs in Sri Lanka, 6% and 15%. It is also important to note that any expenses incurred when providing these services, so for example, internet expenses for freelancers, these can be deducted from the final tax that you are due to pay. So finally, we can look at how you pay this tax. So this foreign income will have to be filed along with all your local income at the end of the financial year when you're filing your taxes, and it will go under your personal income tax. So you pay it at the end of the financial year. So in a nutshell, this is this whole controversy about this 15% tax broken down into a very simple, easy to understand video.